What's going on, guys? I'm Ariel and I'm here today to show you how to grow garlic in your garden. First, you need to find some garlic and BAM! Break them into individual cloves and choose the bigger ones to plant. Once you've done that, you want to get a pot or container with some proper drainage points. Fill it with a mixture of around 60% soil and 40% compost, and then get ready to plant. The cloves should be vertical with a thinner point on top. They should be planted around 1 to 2 inches deep and around 6 inches away from other pieces of garlic. Keep your newly planted garlic moist by watering every other day. After about 10 days, you should see some sprouts like this. And this is some garlic a month after being planted. So that's about all you need to know to plant garlic at home. And in this quarantine, I just want to remind you guys all that you need to stay happy, stay healthy, and stay gardening.
Right.
And that's how I roll.